Imagine, if you will, a world where money isn't a source of stress, but a tool for achieving your dreams. What if the key to unlocking this world was simply a matter of understanding basic personal finance? Intriguing, isn't it? So buckle up as we delve into the top 5 personal finance tips that can put you on the path to financial freedom. The first tip is to create a budget. A budget forms the backbone of your financial plan. It's a blueprint of your money's inflow and outflow. By tracking your income and expenses, you get a clear picture of your financial health and can make informed decisions. Remember, a budget doesn't restrict your spending, it gives you control over your money. Secondly, pay yourself first. This phrase is financial jargon for saving. Before paying bills or making purchases, set aside a portion of your income for your savings. This simple habit can make a huge difference to your financial future. As Warren Buffett wisely said, do not save what is left after spending, instead spend what is left after saving. Our third tip is avoid bad debt. Not all debts are created equal. Good debt, like a mortgage or student loan, can be an investment that will generate long-term income or value. Bad debt, on the other hand, such as credit card debt, provides no return and can quickly become a financial burden. Be mindful of your borrowing habits and aim to avoid bad debt. The fourth one is invest wisely. Investing is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. It's a powerful tool to grow your wealth. Start early, understand your risk tolerance, and diversify your portfolio. And remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Last, but certainly not least, is educate yourself. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to personal finance. Regularly read books, listen to podcasts, and stay updated with financial news. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. To recap, the 5 golden rules of personal finance are: create a budget, pay yourself first, avoid bad debt, invest wisely, and educate yourself. Practicing these tips can help you build a solid financial foundation. Remember, personal finance isn't about the size of your wallet, it's about your approach to money. So start today and unlock the world where money is a tool, not a stressor. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today towards a financially secure tomorrow.